Life was uncertain during the California Gold Rush, so we are going to be making dessert first. Hi, I'm Caleb, and welcome to Gold Rush Cooking here at Columbia State Historic Park. Today, we're going to be making apple fritters. Now, I got this recipe from the Virginia Housewife Cookbook, printed in 1824. For full recipe, see description below. Now, our gold miners wouldn't have just used apples. Resources were limited, so they would have used any fruit that they could find. Now, this recipe calls for wine, but you can use whatever alcohol you want or none at all. Then we need some lemon rind, lemon juice, butter, cinnamon, cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs. From the chickens right here in Columbia. Thanks, ladies. Then we're going to need water. Add little bits of water at a time just in case the batter's too thick. It's easier to thin out that way. Then give it a good mix. Then we take some spoonfuls and put it in some hot oil. You're going to want to fry it over medium heat till they are golden brown. Then once they come out, dust them with a little bit of sugar and enjoy. Now, since our gold miners' resources were limited, that would mean that these ingredients I just used would have been very expensive during the gold rush. Most eggs during the gold rush went for about $3 an egg, which is somewhere around $100 today, making this a premium dessert. Now, we hope you enjoyed our cooking video here. For more content, please check out our social media links below.